I know. Where have you been? I apologize, guys. We haven't been on air for a while. And the reason being is not something fun to discuss, so we're not going to discuss that. I like to talk about fun things on the channel. The important thing is that I'm back, you're here now. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you taking the time to join us. I have a lot of Corvette information I want to share with you guys, some incredible Corvette experiences. I know you enjoy that, and I enjoy that as well. What I have for you today, my recent trip to the National Corvette Museum, I was fortunate to see the new silver flare fender and the red mist metallic. I have a renewed confidence seeing the silver flare because originally in some of the clips that we saw from the Labor Day celebration a couple of weeks ago, that, well, I think maybe it was the way that the fender was being held and some stuff reflecting into it. It didn't show that color off properly. I'm going to give you my assessment, and hopefully you have a renewed confidence seeing that color and what we were able to capture in the library. If you're at the National Corvette Museum, yeah, that's where it's at. Go in the library. They've got them up on easels, the silver flare and the red mist metallic, the new colors for the 2021 Corvette. Boy, it does feel good to be back. Also, what I have for you today is not as much fun, a little bit of a concern, as I'm on a hunt trying to find VIN 6941. You're staying up to date in current market on 2020 Corvette. You're like, VIN 6941, Rick, they're up to 12,000 VINs. I know. That car built August 5th, still sitting in Bowling Green, supposed to be going to my customer Richard here in Ohio. You would think at this point you've got a little concern that there's something wrong with the car. Okay, so be it. If there's something wrong with the car, then in my opinion, it's in the right place. It's in Bowling Green, Kentucky, where they make the Corvette. Okay, great. Fix it, give it a send-off, Pat, and get it up here. Now, we actually found 95 cars sitting over at the NCM Motorsports Park. I looked way down the way and I'm like, what are all those cars? Oh yeah, I checked out every single one of them. Did we find Richard's car? You'll find out today. I hope you enjoy the upload. Hey, I'm not the only one that comes out here at nighttime to Bowling Green Assembly. Some folks up there are checking out the display. Look at this is, hey, no camera light, as many times as I've been here, I don't think I've ever captured it and shared it with you guys at night. I love this. This is awesome, you guys. They got Zeus Bronze and a Rapid Blue up on the display now. Check these out. Oh, this is awesome being here at night, man. Natural dipped interior on that one. Oh, this is awesome, man. That's the color. Don't mind me. Stay off the display. Oops. Sorry. There you go. Look at that, guys. Wow. Ryan. I don't think I've seen Rapid Blue out at night either underneath lights. This is incredible. Hang on a second, hold this here for a second. I gotta get a shot.
That's your car pretty much right there.
And that right there that we just took a picture of, that's incredible at night. Well, certainly you can see that from 65. I don't know, I just feel a little more proud being here at night, seeing all the stuff lit up. And here's the thing, guys. There's people in there right now, they're working. That's right, the second shift is rolling. What do you guys think? Bowling Green Assembly at night, man. Does that make you feel just a little extra special? I don't know, this is just kind of a, you know, that ambiance I always try and capture on our Coffee with Conti shows? This is it. Man, if I had some coffee, we would actually just sit right here and we would just film for Sunday. But I don't know, maybe we'll do that. Where'd you go? Maybe we'll do that. I don't know, I'm thinking. I'm talking to myself. And you. And them. Hi. All right, Ryan wanted to see a convertible. There you go. White one too with the black nacelles and roof. Z51 car. Hard to see. There's a wheel that I want. Mirrors are folded in. Oh, you can't, I can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. It has the Morello red interior, so that's a 3LT, we know that. And it's been driven. You can see. Absolutely. Bugs everywhere, man. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's just one to come out of the plant. And I'm probably doing the testing before it actually gets a cover on it. Check that out. Came right out of there. See, told you they're working, man. I'll probably get in trouble for that. We got a lot to cover with the track session tomorrow. See, I can't even get to the hotel and get to bed. That's what this place does to you. So we're back in the car. Ryan just said, Dad, you did get the right one. The convertible is the way to go. How about that? Thank you, sir. I'm waiting to see. I'm not waiting to see if I got run off, because that'll probably happen, but I'm waiting to see if that car's going to come back through here, or maybe it goes to another entrance. Oh, there he is. It's got the top. Oh, that's a convertible, dude. The top was down on that. Did you see that? That was a convertible. Yep. He's probably wondering, who is that over there? Okay, I am tired. I do need to get to the hotel, but I couldn't just go see the assembly plant at night. We had to come over here and enjoy the Corvette Museum at nighttime. So I appreciate the guy at the entranceway told me about the 2 new colors are on display here in the Corvette Museum Library. That's the Silver Flare and the Red Mist Metallic for 2021. So now I can give you my assessment, seeing it in person, not sure how it's captured on camera. So as you see down here, here's the 2020 colors, and then there's the new ones that replace the silver. But you know, this Silver Flare, again, by this imagery, makes it look like it's a lot darker than the Blade. I don't know if I'm seeing that in person right now. Get up on it for you guys. No camera light today. I do see heavy metallic in this. I don't know if you guys can pick that up or not. I'll stop moving so maybe you can capture it, and I'll get some still shots in here for you too. Many of you asking, hey, what's the new Silver Flare look like? Well, I have nothing to compare it to based on the shots we saw from the Labor Day celebration, and not sure how the lighting was there either. So here is the Red Mist Metallic that's replacing Long Beach Red. And this looks pretty much like what I thought it was going to be. Not as light as the old Crystal Red that we had, and certainly lighter than Long Beach Red. I think it comes in between there. Very nice, very deep. Like a nice bright cherry metallic, if you will. I'll get some still shots of this for you guys as well. See if we can come up here where some light is shining down on it. Maybe you can see it just a little bit better. Quite honestly, I don't think this is coming out on camera the way that I want it to for you guys. Now, I'm looking at this from a side. Not what you're seeing here, but what I'm seeing visually. It has a different sheen to it. Again, I just want to get, I don't know how close I get. I wish I had a camera light right now to shine on that. But I am seeing kind of a, I don't want to say a brownish hue, a little bit of a gray. And why I think that's important is because the way some of these pictures looked and exactly what I thought is when it was outside, I think it was reflecting off something that was blue or green, and it was picking up in the panel the guy was walking around with. Right now, there's nothing really to reflect into this, so I think you're going to get a better shot of what the actual color looks like. we were showing you guys the fender. It was nice to see that red mist metallic for 2021. Well, over here in the parking lot, the workers are coming in for the second shift. I was talking with one of them because I'm just that chatty Cathy type of guy, and she said there's actually a 21 car already made, complete car done in the red mist, and she says it is stunning. So I don't know where that car's at. I can't wait to get pictures of that car and see it, like we said earlier, in the library on the whole car. It'll really make a difference, but I think that's going to be a win this year, that new red mist metallic. So that was filmed on Wednesday, and then on Thursday, in case you missed it, the National Corvette Museum released pictures of that full car made in the red mist metallic. Now, it wasn't a sunny day, so I think you missed some of that candy apple red or that deepness in the red that everybody's been talking about. She was mentioning, Taj was mentioning, and eventually you folks will see. But in case you did miss those pictures, here they are now. So what do you guys think of the new red mist metallic for 2021 C8 Corvette? If you're familiar with some of the red tones we've had over the years, the old crystal red, it's darker than that. It's lighter than the Long Beach red that it replaces. And I hear that there's a silver flare car that is built that's driving around Bowling Green. Wish I was just a little bit closer, because I'd be on the hunt for that sucker too. And I think from some of the deepness and the paint that we showed you today, once you see that on a full car, it's really going to complement all those contours on the mid-engine Corvette. So what we're doing right now is we're being nosy. I think that is the nature of most Corvette people, right? I'm sorry, not nosy. We're curious. Yeah, there you go. That's the right word, isn't it, Dwight? We're curious. Trying not to get run off. Trying to see what's going on with this block of cars here that are built. Trying to see if one of my customers' cars, Richard from Ohio, if his car's here. So I've got, well, his car, not I got, his car is VIN number 69, I think 41. I've got VINs all the way up to 12,000 that are built. Many have already been delivered and delivered to the customer. His car's still sitting down here, reported as of August 5th. So not getting any clear-cut answers what's up. I'm not sure what's up with these cars. So we're getting close. We've not been yelled at yet. We're curious. Just want to see. Some people, oh, maybe there's something wrong with the car. Well, I go, you know what? If there's something wrong with the car, it's in the right place. You want something wrong here, have it fixed before it's shipped. Here's a Rapid Blue. Looks like Jim's car, although this is a 3LT with the tension blue interior and the silver stripes. So VIN number, curiosity, this is 10,056. 10,150, Long Beach red car. I don't know if they're just out of space over there, or these are, you know what these could be? I don't know. This is a lot of cars, guys. This could be the anticipated weight of museum delivery cars, and they're just not PDI'd and scheduled yet. I know they only can do like 8 or 10 a day, but this is a lot of cars. These are recent builds, relatively. 10,000. Here's a Long Beach red with a red interior. That's interesting. Sorry if this is a boring part of the vlog for you guys. I just wanted to take a gander. These are all over 10,000 VINs. I'm looking for something in the 6,900 area, so my theory very well may be wrong. But Richard, we're looking for you, man. I can't get over the fence at the assembly plant, but we're allowed to walk around here, so. What do you got? Oh, silver with the red, yeah. 9711 there. So the VINs are going down from what I can see, so let's walk down here. Ryan's right at home, kidding to see a Corvettes. You like it, I don't know, dude. Yeah, they are going down 9,300 here. Okay. What's this here? Nope. Any silver car you see, Ryan, take a look at it. Look at this one over here. Go see what the VIN is of that. The end of it, the last four, I'm looking for 6941.
96 cars.
There's 96 cars here?
Yeah.
I saw a 7300 VIN, so I got a funny feeling his car might be here. Hey, Rapid Blue.
What
Now the silver one over there, Ryan. Take a look at that.
Is that a silver one?
Yeah, so I'm looking at all the VIN numbers of all the silver cars.
Okay.
How's this for realism on a vlog? Thanks for watching and joining us on the Corvette hunt. Running out of cars here. You heard Dwight said there's 96 cars here. Nope, ceramic. Well, I did look at every silver car here, so what dealer's going to go to the Corvette Museum and the plant and look through all the cars in the lot to see if your car's ready to go? Oh, I couldn't get into the yard of the plant if I wanted to. So that's our upload today. Thanks again for taking the time to join us. Welcome back, everybody. It's wonderful to have you here. Tomorrow, it's our Coffee with Conti show. Ryan drives a C8 Corvette, and he and I also save a turtle. Yeah, thank you. We're doing the same thing. I don't want somebody to hit him. And then that big truck was coming. I said, oh no.
Somebody gonna smash.
Yeah, we saved this little dude right here. That's what we came back for.
That's
Aww.